I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so excited.
Del Mundo Rebecca, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap para na kahit magpanggap di matatago.
Gwapo ka na sana, kaso mga trip mo raw sa buhay medyo kakaiba. Medyo isip bata, at ang kulang na lang magkasungay yan ang sabi nila. Sabi ni Tay, ang lakas naman ni kung magyabang, bakit sino ba yan? Sabi ni Nay, ba't di na lang si ganito, si ganyan at kung sino pa man. Ang sabi ko naman, mahal kita kasi teka, ba't wala akong maisip? Aba siguro nga ito, di naman kasi ako naghahanap ng dahilan pag umiibig. Aba, kapag ano nga ba ang nakita ko sa tulad mo? Aba, kapag basta alam ko lang bigla na lang nahulog sa'yo. Ang dami ni
Hey guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Fisher Mall para i-shoot ang isa sa mga pinakakaabang-abang na eksena sa movie.
Bakit hindi? Bakit hindi? Ika'y nakakatakot. Sabi daw nila ay masyado kang masungit. Lagi kang nakasimangot. Baka bigla na lang mukha mo raw ay mapunit. Sabi ng tropa
We're doing one of the it's not one of the biggest
scenes,
scenes, but it's like it's a pretty it's a big turning point in the movie.
Sabi ko naman, mahal kita kasi okay lang kahit wala akong maisip. Aba siguro nga ito, di naman kasi ako naghahanap ng dahilan pag umiibig. Aba, kapag ano nga ba ang nakita ko sa tulad mo? Aba, kapag
The scenes I'm shooting today are with Jordane. She plays my girlfriend in the movie where it's some of our sweet moments in the movie. So watch out.
Kailan ba nagsimula matapos ang
Siyempre happy and excited na tumawan ulit sila. And ngayon, medyo nag-level up na yung role mo. Girlfriend namin ni James.
ang pangakong ginawa ko kaya lalo kang nasaktan. Di maiwas ang mapagsisihan na ako'y lumisan. Ang simoy ng hangin na lamang ang tanging kayakap sa piling ng napiling iwanan ka at huwakin. Ang buhay may taning di kayang sabihin madali rin bitawan ka. At ngayon masaya ka na sa kanya at sa'kin hindi ka na. Hiling babalik pa. Yeah. Meron pang nadarama di lang pinapansin. Meron pang natitirang labis na patingin.
Yung role ko kasi dito, since me, siya yung girlfriend ni Nico, yung current girlfriend ni Nico.
Pagkat wala ka na di maiwasang mapagsisihan na ako'y lumisan. Ang simoy ng hangin na lamang ang tanging kayakap sa piling ng napiling iwanan ka.
I'll be playing RJ Bustamante, best friend ni Nico, chick boy. Then, ayun, hanggang mahanap na yung kanyang love interest na magbabago ng buhay na. Ayun, panoorin na lang natin sa movie kung paano.
Araw-araw sa ating pag-iisig habang buhay na dadalhin. Ang sa piling ay napiling iwanan ka at huwain ang buhay may tanin. Di gayang sabihin madali rin bitawan ka. At ngayon, masaya ka na sa kanya. Sadyang hindi ka na. Hindi babalik, 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 babalik pa.
Wala na, kahit wala na, kahit wala na, kahit wala na.
Paano kung bigla na lamang I wrap my arms on your hips, baby, yeah. Pag di mo inaasahan
Hi guys, kasama ko si Jordan Castillo, and she'll be playing the role of Faye, who becomes my girlfriend during the movie. We'll be shooting a breakup scene at marami pa, so check it out.
with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh, boy. Do, 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 yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe. Haharanahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta. Yung tipong kahit wala lang, o kaya biglang may breakfast dinner, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanted to simple random things to say. I love you. Oh, I love you. Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Oh, yeah. Kahit di ganong kawangin, ika'y guguhit ko. I'll probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last.
Ryan, Kelvin, ano kayo? Hi guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Girl Scout of the Philippines dito sa Padre Faura. And first time namin magkasama-sama nila Julian, Inigo, and everyone.
Video! Camera up! And
As you can see, I'm wearing formal outfit because we're shooting the graduation scene here at Girl Scout of the Philippines.
Science in accountancy,
When I found out that I was going to be a part of this movie, I was amazed. I was happy. I was very excited to be a part of it, and it's also an honor to be in a movie with JD. I mean, they're well known, so I was really excited to be able to work with James again and Nadine as well.
Today was our first encounter with James and Nadine, pero walang interaction. But then, behind the camera, nakakatuwa kasi I didn't expect that we'd all get along. That behind the camera, we'd end up talking about a lot of things, laughing, even with the whole cast.
Del Mundo Rebecca, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, cum laude.
James, isang beses ko pala nakaka-eksena. Mukha naman siya mabait. And mukhang down-to-earth siyang tao. And very professional. Si Nadine naman plays as my daughter here. So mas nakakasama ko siya. Talagang super down-to-earth. Very kalog. Nakita mo naman kanina. Kalog na kalog. And I'm really pretty sure na talagang malayo mararating ng bata rin.
It's nice to
work in an environment where everything is okay because it makes our work so much easier, di ba? The waiting, the ganon, di ba?
No, Nadine is very sweet, very nice, very easy, very patient. Si James, he grows on you. Now I understand kung bakit ang lakas ng dating niya sa mga tao ngayon.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's our first time all being on the set, all-star cast. And they're really nice. They're really fun on set. Inigo and Julia. And it's not just Inigo and Julia. We also have AJ and Shai. Everyone's here today, so it's really fun.
It's for eyes now.
Isa kayo mag-shoot. Yay! And tapos na rin kami mag-spray. So face here, ganyan. Anyway,
The shooting's almost done. See you guys.
Hi, buntag guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa isa sa mga pinakamagandang lugar dito sa Philippines.
Cebu City. Senor. Okay guys, we just arrived here at Diamond Hotel.
Hi guys! So first stop dito sa Cebu, Radio 105.1.
Dean Lustre, James Reed, and Marcelo Santos III are now here at the radio station. Yes, yes, yes.
Hello everyone. Hello Cebu.
How long have you been love team? Gano'n na ba katagal kayong magka-love
1 year.
Almost 1 year.
Almost 1 year. Tomorrow? On Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday.
On
1 year na
Sunday.
sa Sunday.
Oh, anniversary ng Jadine
Yes.
ngayong Sunday. O, parang anniversary lang, pag-jowa lang. How does it feel for you both to work with each other all the time?
It's suabe.
Suwabe. Oof, maganon. Malakoof, maganon. Safe na safe. How about you, James? How does it feel to...
Well, yeah, we are together every day. We work together every day. And we're friends. It works. It's pretty it's smooth. It works well.
It works well. Maganon. Parang lang, it works. Parang gel lang. It works well.
Si Nadine first time, si James pangalawa na.
Hi, this is Nadine Lustre, and you're listening to Radio 105.1, Cebu. Nice paminawan.
Hey guys, this is James Reed and you're listening to Radio 105.1 Cebu. Nice paminawan.
Were you friends before you got together as a love team?
No, we only worked together once before that.
For his music video.
Oh, and then, oh my God, ang bagay-bagay pala. And then you had a movie.
So, biglaan siya.
So, bigla, out of the blue talaga.
Out of the blue.
Tapos hindi kaya, in case sinabihan na may kissing scene.
And wala kasi siya sa script, as in wala.
Oo.
Tapos nagulat na lang kami, nagbo-blank na kami. Rehearse na kami. Okay, sabi ni Direk, okay, hug. Tapos hiwalay. Tapos kiss. Alam mo yung, sabi pa kaming tumingin na, sabi na, okay, may problema? Sabi niya, gawin niya yan. Sabi niya.
Wow.
So, parang okay.
Yun yung pinakamagandang moment ng movie na yon. Kasi din kayo na-surprise. Hindi yung mga fans niyo. Kasi din kayo, nahirapan ako mag-Tagalog. Pati din kayo, nahirapan kayo mag-surprise din kayo sa moment.
Nakakatawa pa yun. Kasi 3 a.m. na yun. Basta madaling araw na siya. Yun na yung last scene. Tapos, lahat kami galing sa tulog.
Lahat kami kakagising lang namin nung para sa scene na yun. Sobrang nakakatawa.
Hi, I'm DJ Sumi of Infrady 105.1. It's just a great experience to interview J. Dean Fever, guys. Do catch them everywhere because they're really the most beautiful people I've seen so far. Yes, yes, yes!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
This is our second song for today, and we're here at John Louis Ayala's.
Uh-oh. Oh. Kinikilig ako, itong epekto mo. Walang na lang tumakbo ako sa kanyo. Nakakatakot ka, sumusobra ka. Nakatatak sa isip kong ngiti sa iyong mukha. Naku, ano ba yan? Puro ganyan na lang. Wala ka na alam gawin. Hindi ko na tuwing gabi ka lang kita. So ano ba ang nadarama? Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Pwede ba? Huwag ka nang magrama. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Ngunit mabagal dati mo maisipin sa bagay. Paging tiis na lang malapit na akong magbabay. Ano ka ba naman? Ganyan-ganyan na lang. Wala ka lang alam gawin kundi magparang. Tuwing gabi ka lang nagte-text, mag-message ka walang effect. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Nag-aantay ko meron ng next upang aking utak ay maset. O ano ba ang nadarama? Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Pwede ba?
Maayong gabi mga Cebuanos.
We're here na at Ayala Center, Cebu para palipayon mo. Ready na ba mo? Tara!
Who loves JD here?
Dito sa Cebu, sobrang idol namin ang JD!
Show him your love. Meet the brainchild of Para sa Hopeless Romantic, Yager himself, Marcelo Santos III!
Yo! Sino na dito merong para sa Hopeless Romantic? JD! Alright.
Started ako! Kanina pa ako dito, so excited ako si JD! I love you, JD!
Para sa Hopeless Romantic, showing on May 13. Let us all get warm. Someone welcome to the wifey of Honey, the pretty and talented Nandine Lustra!
Kasi
na patatagalin pa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Squadron!
Ang daming kalaan. Bawat pangit ang marapit. Kung tayong magkita, di kong palakan. Ako babig naman kahit story, di ka kapawag si Steve. Lahat ang tayong lahat. I was just wanting to slip away. What it feels
Init pa lang ng suporta eh. I mean, sila James Reid and Nadine, yung mga fans pa lang nila, and yung mga readers ko, and iba pang fans ng mga ng mga ibang love team na kasama doon sa movie. I mean, yung palang solid na, sobrang dami na. What more kung yung mga nakaka-relate dun sa movie. Talagang blockbuster to. Super.
Bumabalik sa'yo.
Kapari ko yan, harap bawat kalabang. Kahit na mga pinagtatago ng aming yakap. Hanap, hanap, hanap ako. Di nagbabago, kalabang hanggang panakara. Sa puso mo lahat.
Really cool because it felt like a concert. Like the
There's a lot of
whole,
people.
yeah, there were lots of people, and yung location actually, yung kung nasan yung stage, kasi it's an outdoor event.
It has a concert feel.
Yes.
So we gave, a little bit extra today because there's so many people, and how often are we in Cebu?
Okay, how's that, guys? Just listen for a while. So first will be Nadine to James. All right? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? You go first. All right. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was nice. 3, 2, 1. No changing in 3, 2, 1.
Daghang salamat mga Cebuanos. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pagbisita namin. We love you.
We're gonna miss you guys. Hope to be back soon. Hello guys, welcome to another segment of Language 101. Number 1. Gihigugma po kamo mga JD Cebuanos.
Love ko, saya kong makita, makakita si
Even I know that one.
What?
Even I know that one.
I don't know.
Gugma means love.
Ah, okay. So, love mo ang mas J, ang mas one.
Kaon lang ako. Kadjot.
Kaon, I know, kaon. Kain.
Kadjot lang.
Skachot. Wait lang.
Naghinamit namin pag-aabot siya sa buhay. Bakit?